So I was doing some analysis for a client, and I wanted to get an understanding of who the comps in a local market were that were spending money on AdWords. And using SEMrush, there's a quick way to do it. And by all means, if there's a better way to do this, please comment below. But if you're targeting, if your client or if you want to target water restoration companies in Kansas City, type that in up here. And then you also want to click on Ads History, or you can just click on Ads Histories first, and then type in your search term up here. It might fill it in with little plus signs, so just redo it and hit search. And what it's going to do is going to look to see who's spending money locally on that specific keyword. You may not get as many results if you have it toggled to desktop. I would probably go back and forth and take a look. But I seem to get better results with mobile, especially in the home services industry, because a lot of those people are going to be like call-only ads, and so they're only targeting mobile devices. So you can see here, you know, $428 a month, supposedly, surfrolesummit.com, waterremoval.co, spending $100 a month, roughly. These numbers are never really super accurate, but you can get a feel for who the major players are and who the ones aren't. You can also see some huge brands, like you'll get a Google in there. You also get ServPro. They're probably bidding on those geo areas. You can also hover over these boxes and take a look at the actual ads that are happening in the local market. And then if you want to dive deeper into the actual keywords, you click on like 16 here. And you can see what waterremoval.co is bidding on locally. They're going after different cities pretty aggressively. So I don't know, I thought that was a really cool way to do some local comp AdWords analysis. If, like I said before, if you have a better way to do it, feel free to comment below. Thanks.